All right, we said it before that we were going to do this. We are going to do it. We're going to go to the fish spa. This is where the fish eat your feet. So you come in, you sit down. Now this is $25, but Tiffany's going to sit down and get her feet eaten by fish. So they're getting her set up now. So they're going to start off by probably making sure you don't have any lotion or any other kind of contaminants and stuff on your feet. So they give them a quick little wash. And that's probably to protect the fish. Now I'm curious to know if these fish are going to tickle her feet, because she has ticklish feet. So we're going to see if she goes to squirming. It's going to be fun. Here she goes. Oh God, look, the fish are just getting her like crazy. All right, so how does it feel to get your feet eaten by fish?
That feels weird.
It feels weird?
What kind of fish are those?
But yeah, they just get right on your feet and get going. Just eating away.
I feel weird.
So tell everybody at home.
Thank you for doing it for us. We appreciate it.
It's weird.
What's weird about it?
It's just the feeling of it.
Well, yeah, I mean, look, you can
It
see.
doesn't tickle. It just, it's like, you can feel something crawling on.
Well, yeah, I mean, look at your toes. There's a bunch crawling on you. They're going crazy. You're like fish in between your toes, fish up and down your leg. That's pretty wild. So, yay or nay on getting your fish?
Yeah.
We'll see how it is at the end. You'll see if it makes it smoother and softer. Because it's supposed to eat like all the dead skin and all that kind of stuff off your feet. It's crazy. Okay, now this lasts for 20 minutes for $25. I see those.
Wash your feet before.
Yeah, I showed that where they washed your feet, but those fish just, they go to work, don't they?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So you were saying that it felt like what for the ladies?
So whenever you, like ladies with long hair or something, and you have a stray hair, and it's kind of tickling your back or your arm or something, it kind of feels like that.
Okay, I've had like your hair get loose and I'm trying to figure out where it's touching me, you know, because I'll find it in my truck. And I'll be like, something is touching me, and I'll find a long hair.
Like that.
Feels like that?
Feel like bubbles. It's almost like your feet are in like carbonated water. You can feel like.
Man, they are really going to town. They seem to like your toes.
Yeah, I'm sure they do. I don't take very good care of my feet.
Well, apparently the fishies got you covered this morning. Because they are having a good old time in there. She is all done. Her 20 minutes is up. So they pull your feet out, wipe you off. And then we'll find out how her legs feel and how they did. So, you're out of the fish spa. You've had your feet officially eaten by fish.
Yes.
Worth it?
Yes.
$25, 20 minutes. Felt good?
Yeah.
Feet feel good?
It's a nice little relaxing. Once you get past the sensation.
Awesome.